Some Leah.
Woo!
We're at basketball practice.
You wanna see?
And it's called
These are
Tim's
the guys.
And that's what all the topless
Over
guys
there
out
is
for.
the girls, the high school girls.
First
So
moment you made on first.
these are like Reese from the Christmas concert, so they're getting in the way of my view. Not like I really care, but
I get good moves from watching these guys every day.
so Charity, how do you think the girls basketball is gonna do this year?
Depends. Junior varsity ain't gonna be so hot. Varsity, we can rock it out.
Yeah, you gotta be H-O-T.
Yeah,
H
especially.
to the O to the T. Hey, Janae. Say what's up. No, fine, be that way.
She said, "Hey, dude."
No, look at that.
Isaiah's doing that because Malia's up here. He knows you're up here, Malia.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, he does.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does.
No, he
Yes,
doesn't.